This is Mike at Keto Journey saying welcome back. We're here at Kroger and we're going to go in and see what we can find in the way of discounts. Stuff they've marked down, stuff they've got on clearance, things like that. Not necessarily sales, but marked down for discount. So I'm at Kroger. I'm in the meat department. They have bison reduced. It's 10 ounces. It's 85.15, and it's reduced to $4.99. You got some other things here. Street chimichurri, beef loin, meat steak. It's reduced to $6.99. It's already seasoned up, but I stay away from pre-seasoned meats if I can. You got a ribeye steak that's aged at $8.99. That's a good deal. And then there's Angus beef strip steak reduced to $6.99. This is in the meat section. And then these are bone-in pork chops, thick cut. I mean, this is extremely thick pieces of meat. Pork chops, bone-in, center cut, pork loin, $4.99. Then you got 4 ground beef patties, already chuck and brisket and short ribs, 100% Angus, $6.49 for 4 of them. That's and it's a quarter pound, so that's a pound. It's already made into that. That's a good buy. And that's so shop for your reduced rates on it, and this is what you can get. The regular price on this is $9.99. So that's a good buy. It's about more than $3 off. And you can see this regular price on this is $10.10. That's less than half price. All because they're getting close to the date. So thank you for going along with me to Kroger to shop for some reduction in prices items. What I usually look for is meat. You'll rarely find anything else reduced in price. And I don't look for the sales. The sales, unless you know what the regular price is, it's not going to really benefit you for the most part, because it may not be that big of a sale for you. But these price reductions that they do, because especially on meat when it's at the date or the day before the date that it goes out of date, that's where you can really make up some money. That's where you can save a lot of money. And I showed you a few items. They have different things. Don't usually find a lot of chicken or fish, but beef and pork, you can get some decent prices on it. So thanks for joining me. This is Mike at Keto Journey saying, let's be careful out there.